feel, dude. Stupid ass, man. You need to go steal a hat, put it on that motherfucking head. Krusty the Clown in the face. George Jefferson. George? George? Where we's at, George?
I ain't talking got back.
Krusty.
Oh.
In front of your head like a newborn baby ass, man, for real. Damn, two man, yeah, that's me. We got a ball spot coming in the back too, just to let you know. You might well use gasoline to burn that shit off your head, man. Just stop growing that shit, bro. Kerosene, gasoline, yeah. Yeah.
You make sure you get the bike and get it pushing something you ain't got.
Oh yeah, the bike in there. Bike in there.
Welcome to the shop.
Don't ever bring your bike by here. Fuck you mean, boy. Hey, stupid ass.
That kid's a fat boy.
Oh, goofy goober head ass nigga, what? Damn, knee? Last shorts on. Damn, ice cold beer. You like Mega Man in the face.
Fuck out my face.